now. I started as a software engineer and I went into project management, and I ended up doing a job that was about delivering optical character recognition systems to what was then called the Inland Revenue, that was the UK tax authority. And that was about trying to use computers to scan in forms. I became very interested in how to make the forms really easy to fill in, because if they weren't easy to fill in, people made mistakes on them and my machines couldn't read them. And from that I became just interested in the whole area of how do you make stuff easy to use. That's such a great question, because no one's ever heard of UX or usability consultancy, and over the years I've been doing this, we keep changing what we've done. So at one point it was human-computer interaction, and this week it might be service design. So I've always said I'm a whatever I happen to be calling myself, and then I say to people, well, what I really do is I help organisations make their forms easier to fill in. And they say, oh, okay, is that a job? And I say, well, there's not that many of us that do it, but I love it. The biggest challenge for me as a forms and survey specialist is that people know that forms exist and surveys exist, but they have no idea that there's anyone out there who will help make them easy to use. So it just doesn't occur to anybody. Everyone thinks I'll just design a form or I'll just send out a survey, and actually thinking about the user experience doesn't seem to occur to them. So my biggest challenge is persuading people that I'm there and can help them. And of course, all of us as user experience practitioners will understand that often actually persuading people to make the changes and go along with what we want tends to be a bit of a challenge as well. But great when it happens.